It's beach time, guys! Oh, yeah!
Everyone, welcome to Star Wheel Show. Where am I? Where am I? You look at the sun. Uh, Look at the water right there. And it's getting some waves and it's super fun. And I'm sitting on rocks. They're right here. Yes, you guessed it correct. It is the beach. That means I made Ramakrishna Beach in Visakhapatnam. They call it the short form RK Beach. Now, let's have some fun in the beach. Let's go! Ay. Ah! There's a boy park and a girl park? Which one should I choose? What did I choose? Yay! I choose the beach! I guess now I'm going to stay in the beach for some time. So let's play in the sand and get wet in the water. Let's go.
I will take you to my favorite place in the beach. Wow! This is called the Dolphin Nose. This beach is the most purest, untidiest beach I have ever been. Guys, do visit when you are in this place.
Which way to the beach? Oh yeah, yes I do jump. Guys, this place is called as Coco Arena. And here there are coconut trees. That's why they call it as Coco Arena. Here you can relax, meditate and do whatever you want. And also it's super pleasant here. And the thing is so funny here that I always come here to play in the sand and get wet in the water and also see the ships in the water. Let's go to the beach right there. Let's get protected from the sun. Oh my gosh. How can we go from here?
Guys, I came several times to the beach just to play in the sand. This is most fun. But in Bombay, actually, I did not go to the beach every day. But here, I came to the beach several times. Flipping in sand is just wow. What do you say, guys?
Stay in the beach for some time.
Beach at night. We built Gunjana Guru. It's just like an igloo, but it has 4 gates. We kept our hands inside it, guys. The most funniest part is all our 4 hands will touch each other under the igloo. It's new to me. I enjoyed. It's beach time! It's beach time! Oh yeah, I have the time to play in the water. I do play in the sand and get wet in the water. Oh, that is fun! Woohoo! I had a great time with my Mintata and family.
It's playtime. I'm playing. You also have fun. Until then, get a heart, be kind, get a crown, don't break it. Bye! Enjoy the cool beach in the hot summer. Bye bye! Each time